It is pretty cold out today. It's about 44 degrees, and it's going to be the last day with the Road Glide CVO St. Have to tell you the truth, a little sad. I'm going to miss this absolutely beautiful bike, but I want to just give you kind of my last thoughts on the bike. But right now we got to head through New Jersey, through Manhattan, and into Long Island to drop it off at Harley-Davidson of Nassau County. So let's head on over there. About an hour and a half into it, I'm here at Harley-Davidson of Nassau County. I don't know, about halfway into Long Island. It's a nerve-wracking ride because it's through the city, through Bronx, into Long Island. A lot of traffic. But I don't know what more I could tell you about this 24 CVO St. other than it is absolutely amazing. The performance, as you guys seen, against a 117 Stage 2, my boy Flying Rides, it's a pretty much tie. It's dead even. And this bike is stock, straight from the showroom floor. Even with a 117 Stage 2, a cammed with a pipe and a custom dyno tune. So performance is great. The braking is exceptional. The suspension is awesome. The looks are fantastic. I just absolutely love the bike. The bar and risers are super comfortable. The only thing I wish that they did to this bike is heated grips, because the first thing I would change is the windshield. That's the only thing I would probably do, that, the windshield and the seat. Other than that, the bike is perfect. You don't have to do anything to it. I wouldn't touch this bike at all other than the windshield and put a Saddleman seat on it. Other than that, I have to tell you, the new navigation system is fantastic. I love it. It is so much better than the previous navigation system. I used it actually from here when I picked up the bike home, and then I used it now from New Jersey into Long Island, and it works flawlessly. It's really, really good navigation system. So I'm really impressed with it. Other than that, there's nothing that you have to do to this bike. If you're the type of person, like I said previously, just that doesn't really want to do any upgrades to the bike, you don't have to touch this bike. Just buy it and ride it. Change the windshield out to get some more. There's another white CVO St. But change the windshield out just to get a little more wind protection, and put on a seat, Saddleman seat. That's it. You're good to go. We're gonna go inside right now and hand over the keys to the bike, back over to Harley-Davidson, Nassau County, and that's it with this bike. I had a great time with it. If you guys have a chance to ride a demo bike, CVO St, definitely go out and give it a ride. You'll really love the bike. But then again, if you get a standard Road Glide, you can get something like that, or build something like this, which is incredible. So I just got back home, dropped off the CVO St, and then obviously came into the garage and just had a look at my 24 Road Glide Standard that has so many beautiful upgrades to it, like the DNA specialty wheels, the chrome exhaust. I love the chrome trim, all the thrashing hardware on it, including the bars and risers, the suspension, the +2. So it's really up to you. But if you ask me, what would I prefer? I would probably have to say my bike, Blackjack, only because it's unique, it's one of a kind, it's how I built it, and it's a lot of fun to obviously do the upgrades in time to kind of make your Harley-Davidson your own. And when I come home and I look at this absolutely beautiful machine, I really really love it. So again, it's just really what you want. If you want a bike that's done and you don't want to work on it, you don't really want to do anything to it, you want a fast bike, a bike that handles, got great braking, I would go with CVO St. But if you're kind of like me, that likes tinkering around your bike, that wants something really one of a kind, and that is going to look and feel just absolutely different, then I would say just get your standard and build it up your way, even if it takes whatever, a year, 2 years. You don't have to do it overnight. And I mean, there is just so many more things obviously that I could do with it. I love it just the way it is. It all depends how you guys want your build, whether it's a performance bagger build or whether you just want to, you know, change some components out to just kind of make it your own. It really all depends. There's just so many ways you could upgrade these bikes. It's literally, your head will spin. So that's it. That's it with the CVO St. I'm going to be doing some content on the beautiful Blackjack right here, but it's a little cold today. Had a really long ride into Long Island, and now I'm going to go inside and warm up a bit. So we'll see you guys later. Peace out. Can't find